Hello, my name is Diana Carolina Quintero Quintero. I'm 26 years old. I am from Aguachica, Cesar. I live in Aguachica, Cesar. I work as a secretary. My hobby is reading and listening to music. I live with 3 people in my family. My mother is Ludi. She is 62 years old. She is a housewife. She is from El Carmen, Norte de Santander. My mother is very funny. She is blonde. She is blonde and her eyes are green. My sister is Maria Jose. She is 20 years old. She studies environmental engineering. She is from Aguachica, Cesar. She is very distracted. She is tall, blonde, and her eyes are green. My father is Jose. He is 70 years old. He is from Ocaña, Norte de Santander. He has a farm and works in agriculture. He is serious. He is short. His eyes are brown and he has white hair. I'm studying industrial engineering. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons and my favorite sport is soccer. Thank you.